Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to view typing and corrections history in Windows 11. This feature is called Typing Insights that lets you review your typing patterns, suggestions, and corrections made by Windows as you type. It's a great way to see how the system improves your typing experience and assists you with autocorrections. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to hit the Start menu and then you have to choose the Settings app. And then you have to choose Time and Language in the left sidebar. And then you have to choose the Typing option. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose Typing Insights option. This section will give you a complete breakdown of how Windows has been helping you with typing suggestions and corrections. Here, you'll be able to see all the typing corrections and suggestions Windows has made while you were typing. The data includes how often suggestions have been used, autocorrections applied, and words predicted. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily keep track of typing and corrections history in Windows 11 or later as and when the need arrives. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.